From headphones to a vibrating headpiece and the rest of the top 5 deals of the week. That's interesting. I have them, and they're coming right up. That's a unique little contraption over there. Oh, it goes faster. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Grant, and I have a roundup of the 5 best deals of the week. This may work better once there is a shower involved, and don't worry, viewer discretion is advised. And I'm kidding, but I'll show you whether or not that works. If you've never seen me before, I test the favorite deals of the week every week right here. You might know me from your local TV station, ABC, NBC, CBS. I also host programming for Amazon. And all of the deal links you're going to see are located right under me. If you just saw that I looked down, I'm not averting eye contact. I'm just trying to figure out what should I talk about first. A lot of really cool items, so let's get right to it. First deal up, and I will do a full in-depth video on this as well because I know I have to break down several different types of headphones. These are the ones that I would take a look at right now. All 3 pairs of headphones deliver top design craftsmanship and incredible bass and audio. The V201 headphones give you 20-hour battery life, active noise canceling headphones. The V206 give you 28 hours of battery life. With the V201s, you get a really nice carrying case, nicer than my first apartment. The other one gives you a carrying bag. The third pair of headphones gives you some really interesting design elements. You get a little bit of red here. V207 wireless are a little bit more compact than the other 2. These are not active noise canceling, so while I would use these for travel or for canceling out a screaming baby on the flight behind you, the V207s are great for in-home use. My next favorite deal of the week is a DIY deal, ideal for the spring home improvement season. It's kind of like a Leatherman meets Swiss Army knife that really does it all. Think of this as a Leatherman meets Swiss Army knife meets MacGyver DIY on a dime. For repairs around your home, tightening doorknobs, removing screws to replace batteries and other devices, hanging picture frames. This ultimate survivalist tool gives you bottles and can openers, package openers, a saw, wire cutters, screwdrivers, pliers, 2 knives, and more, all built into a tiny palm-sized device that allows you to tackle big, small, and major household jobs. Be more useful than you ever thought possible. Certainly worked in my household. $24.99 located right under the video screen. Before we get to the scalp and head massager, there's another deal that I want to flag for you, which is tied to food, actually. There's an olive oil shortage sweeping across the world. I don't know if you knew that, but a lot of the olive oil we buy is not really going to be the same taste necessarily in the future. So I did find a deal fully legit and also located right under the video screen. It's been reported by this TV station and around the world, even including a new report by the London Times, that olive oil in Italy has dropped 57%. That's a 25-year low. And I want to remind everyone right now that if you want the most incredible extra virgin olive oil from Italy that you can buy before all of these other companies start trying to produce things and mark product prices up, on our website right now, I have a link to the most critically acclaimed and chef-approved olive oils you will see anywhere. Stock up. This will be the last big deal you see before prices increase. Now, from olive oil to CBD oil, this is a really hot trending product right now. And I know whenever I feature this, someone's like, oh, he's pawning his snake oil off on us and this is hemp. And all it is, it's basically an icy hot, a modern Bengay. If you've ever had icy hot and you put it on your body and you realize that it does work, but your entire hand is covered in something that doesn't really wipe off that easily over the course of the day, and you're touching your electronics and it's not great. So the reason I like this is not only is this a sale today, but it's a spray. So irrespective of the fact that there's a minuscule amount of CBD oil in here, it works really well.
Maybe you're looking for pain relief, possibly some pain in the shoulders, the hips, the knees, the back, or the neck. CBD oil is now the new modern day Bengay or Icy Hot. What I love about this is it also has magnesium as a muscle relaxant. A couple sprays right on the joint will start giving you pain relief within 30 seconds.
We all get sore. Whether we work out or not, we get sore. I've been turned on to a muscle spray that is so amazing. Feels cool at first, then it warms up, goes right to the muscles. No mess, no fuss, it's amazing.
And finally, as my 5th favorite deal of the week, a scalp and head massager. You get 2 for under 20 bucks. And the big question is, how does this feel if you actually use it the way it's meant to be used in the shower? Welcome to just another afternoon of myself and a camera crew in a bath. But the cool thing about this is now that I have shampoo in my hair, just as you would start running your fingers through your hair, trying to get it massaged into your scalp, this brush will do all of that and more. It'll rejuvenate your hair follicles, and more importantly, let's turn it on. So right now, oh, this is really good. So this is actually working through my temples. You can hear it's at work. But why I love this is if you have any headaches, migraines, if you're suffering from hair loss, or if you've had surgery on the back of your head like I have, this makes a world of difference once it's in use. Absolutely awesome. Again, 2 scalp massagers for under 25 bucks with free delivery. You can find that link located right under the video screen. If there are other items that you want me to test, and the only reason I knew to test this, and actually the only other reason I knew to hunt down an olive oil deal was based on feedback and comments from from prior videos. I did a deal roundup that involved macadamia nut oil several months ago, and a lot of you alerted me to the fact that olive oil prices were going up. So that was why I knew to sort for that and find it for you. Any other requests, let me know, leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. It's been an honor to have you here. I'm sorry you had to see that shower scene, and I wish you a great rest of your week. If you are not yet subscribed, by the way, I have a Deal Guy podcast, which you can watch on listen to on Apple Radio or Spotify. And if you want to continue watching, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Your subscriptions make a huge difference to my world. Click on my head right here to subscribe to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click there. And that last big roundup of deals I did right over here.